All right, so I'm going to go over what should be done while you're watching the Edpuzzle videos, and this is very important to understand because a lot of these skills are research-based. Number one, I need you to watch and listen to the entire video. If you are only watching part of the video, you're obviously not grasping all of the material because there may be things that I say later in the video that you might help you with what you were doing in the beginning of the video. Also, we need to listen to the video. We're not going to rely on the subtitles, so we shouldn't just be watching the subtitles and trying to take notes because you're not going to catch everything that's said. You should also not be talking while you're watching these videos. A lot of times students try to talk while they're watching the video, but they're not putting their full attention into the video then, and thus they're not learning the material because how can you listen to the video and talk to somebody at the same time? You can't. You're not giving your attention fully to the video. If you are trying to multitask while you're watching the video, then what that is doing is you are not fully invested into the video. You are not fully grasping the material. You need to give your 100% undivided attention to the video while you are watching it. And you should be taking very detailed notes while you are watching the video. So that brings me to the next point. If you feel I'm going too fast for you, the great thing about the video is you can pause the video when necessary to complete your notes. Don't be afraid to pause it. That's one benefit of having these videos is because you don't have to hang on to every word that I'm saying while you're writing because you have the ability to pause me at any time. You also have the ability to rewind me. So if you didn't catch something I said, then rewind the video a little bit and replay the part that you missed. Star any questions you don't understand during the videos so you can ask the teacher about them the next day in class. Make sure that if you do not understand something, a good way of noting that you don't understand something is by starring it. All right, remember, your teachers don't know what you don't understand, so make sure to alert your teacher of something that you don't understand. Make sure to advocate for yourself. It also could be a good idea in the margins of your notes or on a sticky note that you can stick to your note packet to write down any questions that may come up during the lesson that you have. So if you don't understand why I did step number 1 in a certain lesson, write it down on a sticky note and stick it to your notes packet. So then that way the next day in class, you can ask your teacher about it. Highlight important information. When you are organizing your notes, if you feel that something might be important, it might be a good idea to highlight it so that way it sticks out to you when you go back to look at your notes to study. And then while you're listening to the video, I want you to pay close attention to detail. I want you to write down everything that the teacher's writing down in the video. And if it goes too fast, you have the ability to pause it and to write everything down. Also, definitions. I may type out some definitions or type some things out. You should be writing that down as well because that is also an important part of the lesson. And if you don't understand the video or something in the video, my expectation is for you to watch it again. Try to not take notes the second time you watch the video and see if you can grasp it while you're not taking notes. But it is my expectation that you do watch the video again because sometimes we pick up on details that we may have missed the first time that we watched something. A key benefit of having the videos is you can watch it as many times as you need to fully understand it. And then use the videos as a tool to help you study for your summative assessment. So for example, if you did not understand level 2 from a specific standard, go back and watch the level 2 video again to help you study. And then lastly, if you are having trouble focusing, because when you watch these videos, you should be giving your undivided attention to these videos. If you are having trouble focusing, on the video, try to break the video up into 5-minute chunks. So watch 5 minutes, step away from your computer, and go do something for about 5 minutes. Then come back and watch another 5 minutes of the video while taking notes, and then take another break, step away from the computer, and then watch the last 5 minutes of the video. Taking mini breaks can help you refocus and can help you just, can help your mental endurance as well. It can help you refocus on what you were trying to do.